A lot of people think term life insurance is a great investment. I disagree. Now, I don't mean term life insurance isn't something that you should have or some sort of insurance. I'm a huge fan of insurance and a big advocate for it. But when people say invest in term life insurance, it's a great investment or whatever it is, the premiums are low, the payout is high, that is technically true, but I don't view an investment like that. I view an investment as something I put my money in and I get a return back. So the problem with a term life insurance being an investment is you never get the money back, right? Now someone else might get the money and you can use it as part of your strategy, but it's not an investment, it's a tool that you will have as part of your overall financial plan. And don't get me wrong, I have a term life policy. I also have a whole life policy. I look at them differently. So there's a lot of ways you can use insurance for an investment purpose, but term life in and of itself isn't the only way to do that, or isn't maybe necessarily the best way to do it. You need to look at all the insurance products out there and figure out in your investment strategy and what your goals are, which one's going to pay you back. Because you can have $1 million term life policy, but when you die, that goes to somebody else, and what if they blow the money, or what happens to that money at that point in time? How good of an investment was it? Yeah, you paid X amount of dollars to get $1 million in return, but that $1 million then gets blown, it doesn't do anything good. If it goes to your spouse or your kids, there's nothing structured there to keep them from just blowing the money and having a big party or wasting it or whatever the case may be. So you can use it as part of your financial plan and use it as part of your long-term goals and your legacy, but you need to do more than just pay the premiums and ultimately die and let somebody else get the money.